Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome as well. And as a quick reminder to all, my focus, my mission here in the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can across all regions of the globe. And the best way that I can do that is when you choose to subscribe, when you choose to like the videos, when you choose to comment, when you choose to share the information as well. So if you've not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. And to learn more about me, learn more about my company and how we can help take your business that next level, please check out those links below. And with that said, let's get into our topic here today. And it's 5 tips to get inside the buyer's mind and boost gym sales. 5 tips to get inside the buyer's mind and boost gym sales. So I'm going to give you some things that can make a quick difference for you. They'll make an immediate difference. They'll make a long-term difference for you. And so number 1 on our list, be easy to do business with. Be easy to do business with. Quickly and easily, be easy to do business with. If your customer finds you difficult to do business with, they're going to move on to somebody else that is. Okay, so if it's a website that loads too slow, if it's requiring, believe it or not, just too many clicks to get to where they need to go, make it 1 click, don't make it 2 or 3. Make it easy, make it simple. Be easy to do business with across the board, easy to join, easy to cancel. Have processes, but make this easy to be done. Don't make so many hoops that they move on and go to somebody else. Number 2, excite and engage. Excite and engage. And what happens when you do that, your customers will purchase more. Your prospects, your members, they will purchase more. And, excite and engage could be, in the customer service element of it. It could be through special events. Could be through special promotions. You might have, special, member nights at the gym. Where you cater in food, you have special events. You might have casino nights as kind of a long-standing one that's worked well. We've had some clubs that have done, pet adoptions, out in the parking lot. And so excite and engage with your customers. Number 3, I see this mistake made a fair amount. Don't offer too many alternatives. Don't offer too many alternatives. It's like the paradox of choice. You give the customer too many choices, sometimes you can create your own objections where they actually have to go think about it. Okay? And so specifically where I would talk about this and don't offer too many choices is at point of sale. Okay? We have program A, we have program B. Both these programs can help you get the results you're looking for. Of the two, which one is going to suit your needs the best? So don't offer too many alternatives. Don't offer too many choices. Many times, the customer is going to say, well, that's a lot to think about. Let me take this. Let me get back with you. Okay? And you're looking to boost gym sales. You're looking to boost sales now. Okay? Number 4, offer a rewards program. Have a rewards program. I know we've done programs in the past just with member attendance and working out, because we know, if they're working out on a regular basis, A, they're going to stay with us, they're going to get results, they're probably going to bring friends in, they're probably going to buy more merchandise, inside the gym. So that's a great one. So offer a rewards program perhaps on usage. We used to run special promotions, kind of going back to excite and engage. We used to run special promotions during the summer months where if you worked out 12 times in the month, you got what we called a Bust Your Buns t-shirt. And people loved it. And we had a lot of engagement where we were keeping track of everything. We're making announcements and everybody knew about it and it was a fun thing. But, have some kind of a rewards program. Okay, people do something, they can earn some things. Okay, and participation, being involved in the program, is a great way to do it. And even though I wouldn't necessarily call it a rewards program per se, a referral program, whereby if your members sponsor in other new members, they receive something. And I know a lot of clubs will do this, but they'll offer like a free month. Okay, it's nothing you ever see, nothing you ever touch. When you do these things, kind of going back to excite and engage, right? is, if you have that new hoodie, they can feel the material, they can touch it, they can try it on. Okay, the windbreaker, the hat, the T-shirt, whatever it might be. Okay, if you can offer tangible items like that, all the better. But make it an actual program. Don't make it an afterthought. Make it something you really are working on. You really are promoting, with your customers. And then number 5 on my list, on 5 tips to get inside the buyer's mind and boost gym sales. Engage the senses. Engage the senses. And some of this we kind of do, I think, but we don't know we're doing it, and maybe we don't always think our way through it. But, engage the senses. Smell. Okay, sense of smell. I know some locker rooms I walk into, and boy, I wonder how long some of those clothes have been in those lockers. Okay, engage sense of smell. Do you want it to smell, clean? Okay, the sense of sound. Okay, what kind of music are you playing? Is it music that really resonates with everybody? Is it music that provides energy, and is it upbeat? Okay, touch. Okay, and this is particularly good with products. When you're trying to sell retail, hey, you want to try on this hat, you want to try on this hoodie. What do you think of this? What do you think of that? Engage the senses, with your customers. So 5 tips to get inside the buyer's mind and boost gym sales. Think about these. Be easy to do business with. Do a review of how you operate. Do a survey. Are you considered to be easy to do business with? Are there steps that you can eliminate that won't affect, the service that you provide or what you do? Are there steps you can eliminate to make this easier? Is your website, is it mobile friendly? Half your customers are going to go to your website, from a mobile device. Excite and engage. Number 2, excite and engage. Have member appreciation parties. Have special events inside your club. Have business of the weeks. Okay, but have special promotions. We've had promotional campaigns where folks have had a chance to win a brand new car. Okay, and you can actually check that out. Prize insurance. You can check that out below if you like. Number 3 was, don't offer too many alternatives. Make the decision making easy. Don't give them a menu of all your prices. Decide what you want to sell. Show it to them. Okay, get a rewards program going and work it. Okay, and then engage the senses. Smell, sound, touch. Engage these senses. What is it like? Okay, what is it like? So take a look at those. I think if you can implement some of those and start those as a regular way of doing things, you're going to find you're going to boost gym sales, and you will continue to boost them month after month. So folks, again, my name's Jim Thomas. My company's Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And again, if you've not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. And again, to learn more about me and my company and how we can help take your business to that next level, be sure to check out those links below. And we'll look forward to seeing you all in that next video.